So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you don't want to miss these goodies, don't miss the arcade June games. So as you can see, we are in the arcade homepage, and here all June games are live, and here basically we will be getting 11 arcade points, and for remaining arcade points, how we learn, don't worry, here is the video for it, and I will tell you how you can cover at least novice milestone, and if you want to reach up to trooper or champion, how you can do. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing content. So as you can see, here is the June Arcade game, and how you can join the game. Basically, you have to just copy the code, click on start here, and make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. Let me show you. This is how you have to sign in. And once you are signed in, you'll be getting a pop-up like join a game, and just enter the code here and just join. Let me show you. So this is the way you have to join, and for the games I have created a sheet. So as you can see, this is our sheet. When you will click on this, you'll be redirected to the level games like this. So these are the games, and if you want to know where is the solution playlist, just click here. Let me show you. This is the solution playlist for base camp also and for trivia also. Let me show you. So let's show. It's still loading, so wait for it. Meanwhile, I hope you have at least earned some points. Comment down below how many points you have earned till now. So let's see. So this is the base camp solution, and this is similarly for level 1, and same goes for trivia also. It's like this. Do check the channel. And now if you have completed all the skill badges, I means all the level games, you have to complete skill badges. So total we have 11 arcade points, and for remaining you need to do at least, we need 9 arcade points more. So for that you need to do 18 skill badges. How you'll find the skill badges? I shared the link of this sheet in the description. Just click over here and you will be redirected to the skill badge list. So here we have more than 40 plus skill badges. As you can see here, all are available with detailed solution. If any video is not live, do let me know in the comments. I will make it soon. Now for the first thing, we have to complete how many skill badges? 18 skill badges for 9 arcade points. So here you have 10 skill badges. By doing 10 laps only, you will be able to complete 10 skill badges. So here is the lab name, basically badge name, and here is the detailed tutorial for it. You can check it out. And if you don't want to just check the sheet, what you can do, just visit the channel and just check out the playlist. So this is the way you have to find the sheet here. And now if you face any issue, do let me know in the comments. Apart from these, this is the sheet, and these are the swag drops also. If you have participated in the arcade facilitator program, make sure to watch it. Now this clears your doubt, and if you want any other tutorial or any other help, let me know in the comments. The summary of the video is that all the games are live and you have very few times, because let me show you, the game is ending on 27th, sorry, 27th, yes, 27th of June, and after that you won't be able to complete. So complete all the labs as soon as possible. Here is the sheet. You need any help, to let me in the comments. Do join the Telegram. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead.